Overview. Turn on, off. Power, on, off, and remote connection. Press and hold the on, off button for 2 seconds to power the base or remote control on, off. After both are powered on, the remote will pair automatically with the base. When the base powers off, it beeps once. If not at the initial position, it will auto-reset before shutdown. The indicator flashes green during reset and turns off when complete. Operation. Press. The base will rotate counterclockwise. Press. The base will rotate clockwise. Press. The base will move upwards. Press. The base will move downwards. Short press to cycle rotation speed. Max. Medium. Min. Automatic height adjustment. Press the button to auto-adjust the base height. The base raises to the highest position, or the base lowers to the lowest position. Press again during movement to stop at the current position. Manual spin. LED indicator. Connect and match. Indicator flashes green twice per second during pairing. Indicator stays solid green when connected. Operation. Indicator flashes green once when any button is pressed. Enter sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. In sleep mode, the indicator flashes green every 4 seconds. Press any button to wake up the remote. Battery and charging. Flashing red, low battery. Auto power off when battery is exhausted. Solid red while charging. Solid green, powered on, fully charged.